Well, hey there. If you're new to breaking, then you're gonna love this video because I'm gonna show you different hacks and different things you can do with one single Toprock. Coming right up.
8 police officers in the hospital.
Chaotic scene.
Alright, so what's up, guys? Boom! This is your man, Coach Sambo, your motherfucking online b-boy coach. And on my YouTube channel right here, you can find tons of different breaking tutorials. Most of them are high quality, and then some other videos are pretty random, but I'm sure you'll love them. So if you're new here today, and this is the first video you're watching, then hit that subscribe button right there, my good friends, because then you'll receive notifications every time I upload a new video, which is pretty cool, right?
Yes, it is.
So in this video, I'm gonna give you tons of different stuff to process when it comes to just like the basic front step or cross step. And usually it's the first move you like ever learn when you start breaking, right? But I think a lot of people that are just starting out with breaking don't really know the full potential of one single move. And that's why I'm making this video right here. So first of all, when performing your front step, just make sure you have a good posture, you use your arms, and most important of all, that you dance on beat. Also, some other things that might help you look more like a pro is try to feel at ease and be relaxed while you're enjoying the music as you top rock. Simple things, right? But they do make a gigantuous difference. I don't even know if that's a word. When you're performing your top rocks during a battle or a showcase or, when you're training, whatever, right? So keep all of that in mind. So the first thing we're going to look at is basically just energy. Switching and playing around with the amount of energy you use during a top rock is already a pretty cool way to use your top rock differently. And usually I'm not a big fan of people performing low energy top rocks. But if you perform your front step at a decent pace with some good energy, and then just for fun you want to switch it down to some low energy, like really relaxed, just chilling, not giving a f, then basically this helps you a lot develop more character and display more character when you dance. And you don't even need to learn new steps. Pretty neat, huh? Now the next thing I'm gonna pass on right here is performing the front step or the cross step, but performing it with a different style. Take a look at these examples right here. I can perform it nice and light, or I can perform it in a very static way as if I'm almost freezing, or I could just loosen up like jello and perform it like that, or maybe then moving on to shrinking the whole thing, performing it way smaller than usual, or then maybe bouncing when performing it. But basically you get what I'm saying, right? This is infinite. If you can let your imagination run wild and you have the balls to just like perform it in a different style, in a different way, this is also developing way more character in the way you dance. And again, we're not learning a single new step. Pretty neat, huh? Another really cool thing I teach my beginner students is what I call glitches, which is basically repeating a certain step, but of course, repeating it and executing it on the music. Like this cross step with a double glitch step, and using that small moment in between to kind of like add a little bit more of character and showing people that I'm actually at ease while playing with the beat and cutting steps up. You could also move on to the same one, but then this time with a triple step. So it goes jump, step, 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 and jump, step, 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 and so on and so on. And again, making it look like you have more vocabulary without even learning new moves. Pretty neat, huh? And of course you can go a little further than that by tapping your feet 5 times over the floor. So it goes jump, step, 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 and jump, step, 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 step. Kind of gets a little harder, but again, guys, it's not that hard, especially if you feel the music and you enjoy the track you're dancing to. Pretty neat, huh? So I'd love to teach you a lot more. So if you're a beginner and you'd like to learn more of these simple things, then I could definitely recommend you to check out my Beginner's Masterclass, which is a video that includes everything I teach my students the first 2 years when they start breaking. Everything is in there and it's all well explained as I usually do. So if you're just starting out with breaking and you want that extra boost, then I definitely recommend you to head on over to my website and check out this masterclass. It's about 30 bucks and it's definitely going to change your b-boy life forever. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new, even though you might not be a beginner. If you're somebody that teaches, then you might want to use these techniques to teach them to your students. That's how we keep the ball rolling in this b-boy game. Don't forget to leave a random ass comment to support, or you might want to leave a comment that's funny because I like to read funny comments. Smash the like button, share the video if you want, do whatever you want. It's all good, it's all love. This is your man, Coach Sambo. Because at the end of the day, my good friends, when you think about it, it's just all about that b-boy shit.